Hello viewers, in this video we will discuss how to find the formula of multiple angles and submultiple angles of trigonometric functions using the formula of compound angles. So let's start with sine. Number 1, sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is number 1. Number 2, sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. This is number 2. Now adding 1 and 2. If I add 1 and 2, after adding cos A sin B will get cancelled. I will get sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is equal to twice sin A cos B. This is your number 3 formula. Sin A plus B sin A minus B is equal to 2y sin A cos B. And similarly, if I subtract 2 from 1, I will get sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is equals to, now if you subtract, then sin A cos B will get cancelled. This is minus minus plus. So twice cos A sin B. This is number 4. Now if I replacing angle B by small a. If I replace B by small a, we will get sin twice A plus A, this is sin twice A, this is sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. If I replace B by A, I will get A plus A, it is sin twice A. Now sin A cos A plus cos A sin A is nothing but twice sin A cos A. Twice A is equal to twice sin A cos A. Name it number 5. Now again you can write twice sin A cos A by 1. Something by 1. What is 1? 1 is equal to cos square A plus sin square A. This is the identity of trigonometric functions. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now if you divide the numerator and denominator by cos square A, you can write dividing numerator and denominator by cos square A, you will get, this is twice sin A cos A by cos square A. So it is twice sin A cos A by cos square A. It becomes cos square A by cos square A plus sin square A by cos square A. Now cos square it is, and this is cos. If I cancel cos by cos square, I will get sin A by cos A, which implies this is twice tan A. Cos square by cos square is equal to 1 plus, and sin by cos it is tan, and there's whole square, it is tan square A. So we can write sin twice A is equal to 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. This is number 5. So you can also express sine twice a in terms of tan. This is number 6. This is about the formulas of sine, involving sine. Now we will discuss about cos. What is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is number 7, and cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This is number 8. Now adding number 6 or number 8 plus number 7, if I add them, I will get cos a minus b plus cos a plus b is equal to twice cos a cos b. If I add this number 8 and number 7, you will get minus plus cancelled, cos a cos b, cos a cos b, twice cos a cos b. And if I subtract number 7 from number 8, you will get cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is equals to twice sin a sin b. Now replacing b by capital A in number 8. In number 8 formula, if I replace angle B, or number 7, if I replace angle B by A, I will get cos twice A is equal to cos A into cos A minus sin A into sin A, which implies cos twice A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. This is number 9, number 10, this is number 11. So cos twice A can be expressed in terms of cos and sin equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now what is cos square A minus sin square A? I can write this as cos square A minus sin square A divided by, I can express 1 as cos square A plus sin square A. Now dividing the numerator and denominator by cos square A, I will get cos square by cos square it is 1, sin by cos it is tan square A. Similarly, cos by cos it is 1 and sin by cos it is tan square A. So cos twice A can also be expressed as 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This is number 12. So cos twice A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. In terms of tan, it is equal to 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. This is cos twice A in terms of cos, sin and tan. Further we can say that again cos twice A is what? Cos square A minus sin square A. If I replace sin square A by 1 minus cos square A, then it will be is equal to twice cos square A minus 1. So we can write twice cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos twice A. This is number 13. Similarly, if I express cos square A in terms of sin square A, then I will get similarly twice sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos twice A. This is number 14. Now, dividing number 14 by number 13, we will get twice sin square A by twice cos square A, 1 minus cos twice A by 1 plus cos twice A. 2 cancel. This is tan square A is equals to 1 minus cos twice A, 1 plus cos twice A. So, you can also express tan square A in terms of cos twice A. This is my number 15. This is all about cos. Now, what about tan? Tan A plus B is what? Tan A plus B is nothing but sin A plus B divided by cos A plus B. So, we can say sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B minus plus cos A sin B, and your cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now, if you divide the numerator and denominator by cos A cos B, you will get sin A cos B sin A cos B divided by cos A cos B. This is cos A sin B divided by cos A cos B. In the denominator, I will get cos A cos B by cos A cos B plus sin A sin B divided by cos A cos B. Now, cos B cancel, cos A cancel, they are whole cancelled, and this is sin A by cos A, sin B by cos B. We can write this as tan A plus B is equals to sin A by cos A, it is tan A, sin B by cos B, it is tan B, and this is minus, sorry, for cos A plus B it is minus, so it will be 1 minus tan A tan B. So, your number formula is tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Similarly, I can write tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. How come it is minus and plus? Because for minus B, I will write here minus, this is minus, this is minus. For sin A minus B, formula will be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, and for cos A minus B, your formula will be cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now, dividing the numerator and denominator by cos A cos B, will get this in the form of this. So, this is tan A minus tan B, 1 plus tan A tan B. So, this is number 16. Now replacing capital B by capital A in number 16, you will get 10A plus A, 10 twice A is equal to twice of 10A by 1 minus 10 square A. 10 twice A, it is the multiple angle formula. 10 twice A. 10 twice A, 10 thrice A, etc. are called multiple angles. Twice A, thrice A. Okay, this is 10 twice A. Now some important formula of sine and cos. These are, remember, sine C plus sine D is equal to twice sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. This formula is very useful for the problems of trigonometric functions. Sin C plus sin D is equal to twice sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. That means the sum of two sine functions can be expressed as the product of two functions of sine and cos. Again, sin C minus sin D is equal to twice cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Cos C plus cos T is equal to twice cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and cos C minus cos D is equal to twice sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. We use this condition when the value of D is larger than C, or else you can use minus twice sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. In such cases where the value of C is larger than D, we use this formula. These formula are very important for board level problems or even in entrance also. We can represent the sum of two trigonometric functions as the product of two other trigonometric functions. So we have derived the formula of multiple angles of sine function, cos function and tan function. Like sine twice A is equal to twice sine A cos A. Cos twice A is equal to cos square A minus sine square A. Now we'll use this multiple angle formula to find the submultiple angle formula. Now, what is sine theta? You can write these formulas separately. Sine A. What is sine A? Sine A is nothing but sine of twice A by 2. Sine of twice A by 2. Now the angle A is expressed as 2 times A by 2. Suppose this is your sine of twice theta. So I can express in terms of this formula, it will be twice sine theta into cos theta, where theta is A by 2. So it is equal to twice sine A by 2 into cos A by 2. So I can express sine A as some multiple angles of trigonometric functions. Similarly, what about cos twice A? Cos twice is nothing but it is equal to cos 2 into A by 2. Similarly, I have expressed the angle A, sorry, cos A is equal to. Similarly, I have expressed the angle A as 2 times A by 2. Now, if I express this A by 2 as theta, it will be equal to cos twice theta. So, formula is there, cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. So, using this formula of multiple angles, you can derive the formula of some multiple angles very easily. So, we will use this formula to derive the formula of trigonometric function multiple angles. Okay. So, tan twice A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus 1 minus tan square A. Similarly, I can write here, see, for twice A, the angle is A. So, this is twice, 2 times, now the angle is A. So, it is tan A can be expressed as 2 tan. Now, if you divide the angle A by 2, I will get 2 into tan A by 2, 1 minus tan square A by 2. So, the angle is reduced to A by 2. Here the angle is reduced to A. So, when you derive the formula of some multiple angles, we use the formula of multiple angles. So, I will write few more formulas using this process. Number 1, you just watch, sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Number 2, sin A in terms of tan, it is equal to twice tan A by 2, 1 plus tan square A by 2. See, the angle A is reduced to A by 2. Number 3, cos twice A is equal to, cos A is equal to cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. Number 4, cos twice cos A in terms of sin, this is 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Number 5, tan square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus, see, the formula of tan square A in terms of cos was tan square A is equal to 1 minus cos twice A. The angle is doubled. Now it is A by 2. So after if it gets doubled, it becomes 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A. Number 6, twice sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos twice A. So it is twice A by 2, it is A. Number 7, it is twice cos square A by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos A. And number 8, tan A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 divided by 1 minus tan square A by 2. Formula of tan twice A. So, we have derived the formula of submultiple angles of trigonometric functions. Now, we will study some more formula involving negative angles. Number 1, what is sine of minus theta? Sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Hope you can understand this. How? We know sine theta repeats itself after every twice pi radian. So, I can write sine of minus theta is equal to sine of twice pi minus theta. We know sine theta is periodic. About the period twice pi. So sine of minus theta can also be expressed as sine of twice pi minus theta. Now what is twice pi minus theta? This is sine, this is 4 times pi by 2 minus theta. Now this is 4 times 4 pi by 2, even number, sine remains sine. And it in which quadrant? In fourth quadrant, 4 times pi by 2. In fourth quadrant, sign is negative, so we write a minus sign. Similarly, number 2 is cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, because if I express cos of minus theta is equal to cos of twice pi minus theta, because cos theta is also periodic with period twice pi. You can write like this. Now, in which quadrant the angle twice pi minus theta lies? In fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive, so it will be cos of theta. And it is 4 times pi by 2, so therefore cos will remain cos. And number 3 formula is tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Again, if we know tan theta is periodic about the period pi, so I can write tan of minus theta is equal to tan of pi minus theta. Now, in which quadrant this angle lies? It lies in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative, so it will be minus of tan theta. So, we can write sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, and tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So, for sine it is minus, for cos it is plus, and for tan it is minus. Sine and tan has similar properties, and cosec and cot also similar properties, whereas for cos and sec it is plus. We can write sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. They exhibit similar properties. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, and sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. In fourth quadrant, the value of cos and sec are positive. That's why these are positive. So, if I draw the figure, it will be like this. In this quadrant, for the angle 30 degree, sine is positive here, but in fourth quadrant, when the angle is measured in clockwise direction, this is minus 30 degree. Now, in fourth quadrant, sine is negative, tan is negative, whereas cos is positive here and here. That's why sine, tan, cos, sec, cot all are negative, and sec and cos are positive.